Explain the wiring method of the speaker with a power amplifier. This is the amplifier. Here are two sound columns. This is the speaker cable. Then take it apart first. After unpacking, there will be a speaker amplifier. Then there is the double lotus line of the power amplifier, remote control, and manual. Two sound columns and sound column fixing brackets and screws. Then start assembling. These two sound columns need to be connected to the public speaker output terminal. The amplifier has 100 volts and a negative. There are two red and black wires on the sound column. The red wire is connected to 100 volts, which is the first terminal. Connect the black wire to the third terminal. The red colors of the two sound columns are connected together and plugged into the first hole. Start wiring. The black wires of the two sound columns are plugged together into the fourth hole. If the sound column line is relatively short, you can use an audio extension line. The audio cable needs to be cut according to the actual length. First, peel off the outer sheath of the audio cable and then connect it. Wrap the connections with electrical tape. In the same way, strip the second wire and connect it. After the sound column is connected, connect the other end to the power amplifier. Merge the red wire into 100 volts and merge the black wire into the negative pole of the COM port. Then put the protective cover on. There are connection steps between the sound column and the power amplifier. The connection between the power amplifier and the computer needs to insert the red line of one point of two double lattice lines into the red jack. Connect the white to the AUX1 jack. Connect the other end to the audio jack of the host. Then plug in the power plug of the power amplifier. Then turn on the power amplifier switch, and the power amplifier will start usually. Test it on a computer. Click the speaker icon in the lower right corner of the desktop. Choose speakers to test. If there is normal sound playing, it means that the power amplifier has been connected. There are two ways to adjust the volume. The first is to rotate the volume knob on the power amplifier to adjust. Rotate the AUX1 and Music Master volume knob to change the volume. You can also adjust the system volume through the computer. If you need to fix the sound column to the wall, fixing to the wall requires the use of a sound post bracket. The bracket consists of two earpieces and two nuts. Fasten the bracket to the sound post. Then the other end is also a bracket like this. When tightening the nuts, it is necessary to pay attention to the need for gaskets under the nuts. Snap the two spacers. This is the state after the bracket is installed. There will be two brackets behind the sound column that can be fixed to the wall with screws. Fix directly to the wall with screws. The other sound column is also fixed to the wall in the same way. Wiring and installation of amplified speakers.